Usa. Usa. King Charles III, King Charles III, and your Holness was lying to you about the Jamaican people. King Charles, you have a liar in your slate of colonial mercenaries. And your Holness told you a straight-faced lie on the Jamaican people. Usa, Usa. I do not know if the fact that it proves how deceitful and manipulative he is will only make you desire his service more, or if the fact that he lies to you holds any negative effect. All I know that for the Jamaican people, it is painful to be lied and so humongously and on an international scale. Ooh, sir. Ooh, sir. Sometimes people do things to you, and when you call them out, they get angry at you for what they did to you. People, please hit the like button and subscribe before I speak the truth for you. Ooh, sir. Ooh, sir. I am going to tell Charles Tree the truth, and I don't care if lying Andrew vex. It's his fault. He started it. Andrew Holness, you lie. You completed every chapter of the book of He Lied. What a coldness, Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness told a lie on near 3 million people with one sweep of the tongue. This is the pinnacle of lying greatness. How can he represent us by saying the opposite words we say and carrying the flip side of our message to you? He said that the Jamaican people loved Elizabeth deeply and are sorrowful about her death. King Charles, many that suffered and remember the suffering cast upon us by all your people, including you, are celebrating that they will not see her evilness anymore. They don't like your mother, and that is what they told Andrew Holness to tell you. And that is what he flipped and lied about. Andrew Holness, what great coldness. What great coldness. If you could not tell the truth, you should not say a word, or you could simply speak for yourself and the rest of your anti-Jamaican friends. We have to suffer your lie for you to do your ass kissing, not fear. No one likes lies being told on them. Charles, you see, if we could even give him the benefit of the doubt to say these strings of lies were all accidental, how would we justify it? How could we justify that this is an honorable, truthful man of integrity who represents us by saying shit that we did not say? We are angry, very angry. Usa, Usa. It is not nice to be lied on. Charles, you should discipline your servant for lying to you in public, to the entire world, and on camera with no care that the victims are seeing and hearing his sorry ass being lied off, popping like a muscled Mustang. Ooh, sir. It pains a Jamaican when you give the impression that he is afraid to tell you the real shit. Jamaicans ain't scared to tell anybody the truth, and knows that the world knows that, including you, Charles. Maybe because Scaredy Andrew came from a place named Spanish Town. Ah, I know he might say that's that where he come from. But anyway, maybe because Scaredy Andrew came from a place named Spanish Town, and because it begins with Spanish, he over there speaking Spanish for all his childhood. Maybe because he came from Spanish town and because it begins with Spanish, he over there speaking Spanish for all his childhood. So no, he had a hard time interpreting the Jamaican language, although he the Prime Minister who claims to be Jamaican. See, I am really trying hard to give the benefit of the doubt to coldness. Charles, let me tell you some of the things that 99.99% of the Jamaican people are saying in Jamaican and not in Spanish, which Holness, being from Spanish town, is challenged to decipher. Some say, me no like neither the mama nor the picnic them. This does not mean that the speaker likes you. It means that they don't like any of you. Some say Queen Elizabeth a devil and the whole of them are thief. Me nah mourn fi say that. It does not mean they like you. It means that you people are devils and thieves and they don't mourn for say that. These are the ones that are decent enough for me to tell you. So I will leave it at that. You get the picture though. And your wholeness, ass kissing interpretations are very suspect, to put it mildly. I hope this opens your eyes to the person who flew all the way from Jamaica to tell lie to you just for the sake of doing ASK, ask, KISSING, ask kissing, which will be defined as kissing up to ask, 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 kissing up to ask. So, most effectively, ass kissing means when someone kisses up in order to ask. But we, the people of Jamaica, are upset at the lies on us, and we don't want to waste time with governments that want to do ass kissing and talking back to us like it be good shit anyway. Just because by doing ass kissing, a British pound falls out at every try. We don't care. We ain't care. We are tired of this. And now the lies like shitty crib on top. We want to have leaders with integrity, and ass kissing in the universe should be outlawed to every single galaxy. Charles, I sincerely wish for you this truth enlightenment. Ain't nobody in Jamaica like you beside your privileged mercenaries and back and belly rats that do your inside jobs. I hope I was very helpful with this. And before I finish here, here is our truth about integrity to Andrew Holness. Brother, tap tell life and the people them begs no bumbo clock. A chicky lie, lie, lie. Hey, tell me why you tell lie. Ah, the disobedient children, tell me why you tell a chicky lie, lie, lie. A chicky, tell me why you tell lie. Ah, the disobedient children, tell me why you tell a chicky, a chicky, a chicky, a chicky, a chicky, a chicky.